Hi guys, I'm going to unbox all the cleaning supplies I bought for my Dodge Charger. It being a black car, it's going to need a lot of tender love and care to keep that black looking good. Right now it's got a lot of scratches in it and stuff, and I'm going to need to do a lot of work to it. I may have to have a professional work on it and eventually get some paint work done to it. But for now I want to get it the best I can so I can take it to the cruise nights and stuff. So I bought a whole bunch of added polishes, professional cleaning products to work on my car with. I'm excited to open this. I hope you are too. See what I got, and I'll give you a review afterwards of how the car looks. You know, some video of the car after it's been polished and waxed and all that kind of stuff. So with that said, I've already cut the box open, but so you don't get to see that. Let's open the box and see what I got. Paper. Don't need the paper. Let's see what we got here. We got Edgeless Utility 2-pack. Edgeless towels 2-pack. And this one is Borderless Gray Plush Towel. Each towel has a certain purpose with different products. This is a 2-pack of glass cleaning towels. Obviously for glass. The Great White Drying Towel. It's supposed to be an awesome towel for drying. I've never used these products before, so I don't know how they are, but I'll let you know. Single Soft Polishing Towel. There's a lot of towels in here. They never have enough towels. We got a 10-inch car wash pad. Used for washing the car. We got a Single Soft Polishing Towel. Borderless Gray Plush Towel. Ooh, let's get into the meat of things here now. Let's see what we got. Looks like a wax applicator, polish applicator, denoted by the colors. Got a tire dressing applicator. A couple more sponge applicators. What have we here? We got viscous clay bar. This is to get your paint real smooth. If you run your fingers over your paint, run your hand over your paint real lightly, you'll feel these bumps and stuff. Put a plastic bag over your hand, you'll really feel them. It's a clay bar. After you wash the car, you need this clay bar a little bit. You use some of the detail spray to lubricate it, and you put it on. You wrap it around this, and you rub it over the paint, and it takes those things that are in the paint out, so that so your paint's really smooth and is ready for polish and wax. What else we got? We get the tire and undercarriage wheel well brush. Clean inside your wheel well under the car. Get your tire. We get the lug nut brush. You get in your lug nuts with this, and you get in back, get your brakes, and get all the tight spots with this. I forget what they call this, but this goes in a drill. It's a brush to clean the inside of your rims. When your rims are real nasty, you haven't cleaned them in a while, you use this, and it'll get all that junk out from inside the wheels. And yes, I am crazy enough to clean all that stuff. I'm a fanatic when it comes to cleaning my car, and I'm sure car guys understand that, but everybody else doesn't understand that. We got another brush in here. This is a soft bristle brush. You use it on your wheels themselves to clean the grime and dirt off the wheels. And now we got another applicating sponge. It's a microfiber applicator. There's something else in here. What's in here? What do we got here? We got Glass Boost. After you clean your windows, you put this on, and it works like the stuff to repel dirt and water and everything off your window. It's really good to help keep your windows clean and help you see better when it's raining. And then we have the Adams Polishes bucket for washing or rinsing, or what you're going to use it for. This is kind of neat. You're not going to be able to see my head when I do that, but this is kind of neat. It's got a seal. You can seal it. So if you have something in here, you get water in here or something, you put this on. It's got a nice tight seal so it won't spill out. Holy moly. Look at all this stuff. Look at all that. It's just packed with stuff. This is awesome. We got sprayers for all the products in here. Wow, there's a lot of sprayers. There's a lot of bottles to put sprayers on. Holy cow. Sprayers, 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 and more sprayers. That's a lot of sprayers. Oh, there's even another one. Let's see what we have here. First bottle I pulled out is called Buttery Wax. This is supposed to be their easiest wax to put on and take off. It has its convenient squirt bottle, and of course with the yellow pad. And we got car shampoo. Next one is Revive Hand Polish. Polish before you wax to get the shine out, to get rid of any oxidation. Detail spray. VRT, vinyl rubber and trim. Now you can use this in all your vinyl rubber and trim. You can use it on your tires. It gives a super black tire, and it lasts for a long time. Doesn't make it shine, but it makes it very black. It looks better than it does when you buy it. We got H2O Guard and Gloss. H2O Guard and Gloss delivers a lasting protection and unmatched gloss in a unique water-activated formula that is fast and easy to apply and remove. Add an awesome shine and protection to your car while you dry. It's kind of a sealer almost, and it makes it repel the water and stuff, so when it rains and stuff, the water rolls off. And do all this stuff makes it easier to clean your car in the end. So when you get all this done, the next time you wash your car, or in between car washes, it's so much easier to keep your car clean. And that's important. I like to keep my car clean at all times, but with black car, as soon as it rains, it just doesn't look great. The glass cleaner. We get tire shine. Now unlike the VRT, this will actually shine the tire and make it real shiny. Sometimes I like it shiny when I go to a cruise night. The Brilliant Glaze. Adams Brilliant Glaze is a gloss enhancer. Respected and loved by shine fanatics. Effortlessly boosts depth and gloss to paint, chrome, and glass. Then touch it. No smudges. Because it's not a wax, you can layer it without buildup. So that's kind of cool. So now these are things I've never tried before in a car. I mean, I polish and wax my cars, clean them up, keep them looking nice, but I've never tried all these different things. Undercarriage spray. You want to keep those wheel wells clean. Under the front bumper, the rear bumper, you know. And, you know, you want, even when parts you can see through the wheel or through the wheel well, you know, you want those all to be clean. Echo All-Purpose Cleaner. It can be used like a degreaser cleaner. You spray it on your engine, spray it on your tires and wheels to clean off the brake dust and all that kind of stuff. Echo All-Purpose Cleaner. You get 2 bottles of that. You never have enough of that. That's used in a lot of different things. Interior Detailer. This is for your vinyl dash, you know, the trim around the doors, the even use it on the leather seats. I mean, you do need to use a leather conditioner and cleaner at, you know, at points to keep the leather staying nice. Wheel cleaner. Now this is to get the real lots of brake dust off. It will actually change colors when you spray it on to turn almost purple when you spray it on the wheels. And it helps get that brake dust off. And then there's this nice little thing. It's great for the bottom of your bucket. You fill this up with your rinse water, and then when you're washing, your mitt will get dirty. So you'll take the mitt in the rinse bucket and you'll rub it on here, and all that stuff will settle to the bottom and be out of your mitt. You want to use a separate bucket for rinsing, so all that dirt that's on here will go into that rinse bucket, not into your wash bucket. So that's all the stuff I got. Quite a bit of stuff here. Figured it's time to get rid of all the old stuff, try something new. Hopefully I didn't waste my money. You can go to Adam Polish's YouTube page and see all the products. They have a Instagram page that shows all these products. They have a tutorial for just about every single product. Even this little brush, it shows you how to use this little brush. It shows you how to do everything you need to do to clean your car. It shows you how to clean the wheels. So I like that, because any tips or tricks that I can learn makes me happy. Because I'm a fanatic when it comes to cleaning my car. Now I need a good couple of days to work on the car, get it washed and cleaned real good, underneath, in the wheels, all that stuff cleaned, and start going to town on the paint with all this. The interior is fairly clean. I mean, I will use the interior cleaner and clean it again. With the WeatherTech mats in my car, vacuuming is not a problem. Hardly ever have to do it. Just pull the mats out. I bring them in the shower, pull the shower head off, scrub them with a brush, and rinse them out. Now I can use the all-purpose cleaner here. It'll be great for spraying them down, and I can use this brush here. I can scrub them, you know, get them clean, and then I can rinse them off in the shower, dry them, put them back in the car, and they're like new again. I swear by those WeatherTech mats. Every car I buy gets them. I'm going to take the mats out and get rid of the car and put the original mats back in. It looks like brand new again, which you will see in the video for my Chrysler 200. When I got rid of it, it looked like brand new, and the dealer that's selling it even said that. So with that said, I'm going to have some fun and a lot of hard work cleaning my car. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hope you subscribe to my channel. There'll be more videos about my car, my 2015 Dodge Charger. And there'll be other videos too, because I don't only have a car, you know, I have a life other than my car, you know. But I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope it helps you when I do a review. Maybe it'll help you to buy some Adams Polish's products, you know. But yep, with that said, I'm going to go now. Thank you for watching. Have a good one. God bless. Why is it out of focus?